Had a great day today. WSU ROAR team, the baseball team got together and had a lentil cook-off. A lot of good cooks. I was a judge today. It was pretty difficult to pick a winner. Got pretty competitive. A really, really cool event for our players and for the ROAR program. Awesome day.
The ROAR students, man, they're amazing and they work so hard. And it's such a great time for us as athletes to see how they attack these different situations, and we all have a great time together. And luckily enough, like I said, I was able to win today. So
Soup Fighters.
So this is one of my favorite events at WSU. One of the assets of this event is the ROAR students work really hard finding the recipes. It's something they work on in class, researching recipes. So I'm always proud that they are always really unique recipes. I thought the diversity this year was really good. We kind of had all over the board, all different types of food, and some with more spice than others. I thought it was a lot of fun, and I think the teams worked really well together. They experiment and cook and learn together, and I just really think it brings the ROAR students together. I think it brings the baseball team together, and it's more students getting to know other students on campus.
Go!